of lesson 2. What is the question? What is the slope and y-intercept of line is y equals to 3x minus 4, right? You know what is the meaning of slope? The inclination from x-axis is known as slope. So inclination of green line is this much and inclination of black line is this, right? Similarly here, the inclination of black line is this, inclination of green line is this. And these two lines are parallel to x-axis. So they have zero inclination from the x-axis, right? And what is the meaning of y-intercept? Do you remember? I told you y-intercept means how much length line cut on y-axis is known as y-intercept. So if I write this point as A, so for this line OA is a y-intercept. Yes, OA is a y-intercept in the positive y-axis. So if we have a linear equation in this form, so this is a standard form of the linear equation, ax plus b. This is a standard form. Now, you know, a represent the slope of the line. A means coefficient of x represent the slope of the line and constant term represents the y-intercept, right? So, in the given equation, look at the coefficient of x, that is your 3. So, what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line will be 3. What will be the y-intercept? Y-intercept is represented by constant term, means b. And what is the constant term over here? Minus 4. What is the meaning of minus 4? Means this line is making the y-intercept where? In the negative x-axis, right? Y is minus 4 means length is 4. Here it is in the positive x-axis. If the line will cut something like this, right? See, how will be this line? This line will be like this. So can you see? It is intercutting this negative length in the y-axis. Okay. So minus 4 represents it is in the negative direction. And what is the length? This length is 4. That is the meaning of y-intercept. Right? Correct? Now look at the question number 2. Which of the following is correct for y equals to ax plus b? Which one will be the correct? First one. Changing a changes the y-intercept. It is wrong because a is not related to y-intercept. A is related to slope. Okay. So first one will be the wrong. Look at the b. Changing of b changes the slope. This is also wrong because y is related to the, because b is related to y-intercept. It is not related to slope. So b is wrong, right? Look at the c. Line with same A and different B represents the parallel line. He say line with same A. Look at here. These are the two lines. Line with same A matlab their slopes are same. Okay, they have different value of B. Doesn't matter. Those lines will be parallel lines. Yes. Same A matlab their inclination from the x-axis is same and different B. Look at here. For this line, what is the B? This much is a B. And for this line, what is a B? B is from here to here. So these two lines have same inclination and the value of B is different, but they are parallel line. Yes. Look at over here. These two lines are parallel to x-axis. So for this also A will be 0. Since its inclination is 0, A is 0. But if I look at the y-intercept for this line, it is your OA. If I look at the y-intercept for this line, it will be the OB. So these two lines have different B, but same A. So are they parallel? Yes, they are parallel to each other, right? Because A represents the slope. If they have same slope, means they are same inclination, means lines will be parallel to each other. So which one will be correct? Answer will be the C. Read the D1. Line with different slopes are parallel. No. See, look at here. These two lines have different slope. For this line, this is a slope. For this line, this is a slope. Can they be parallel to each other? No. They cannot be the parallel lines. Am I clear? Right?